Look at this. 3 weeks of wear and the integrity is absolute. No lifting, no cracks, just pure architectural stability. This is what the American dream of nail service looks like. Precision that lasts. But don't let this perfection fool you. Underneath this shimmer lies a complex structural challenge. My client has a unique physiology. Her nails defy gravity, growing upward like a skyscraper reaching for the clouds. In the industry, we call them ski jump nails, but I prefer to see them as a masterpiece of fast-paced metabolism. While others wait 5 weeks for this much regrowth, her body hits the accelerator, giving us a full renovation cycle in just 21 days. Short and wide nail beds combined with high-speed growth, that is not just a manicure, that's a high-stakes engineering project, and today we're going to realign the axis. During the removal phase, we're already drafting the blueprint for the future structure. I use a carbide bit to significantly reduce the material volume at the free edge. We aren't just cleaning, we're clearing the site for a new foundation. Notice the lifting at the growth points along the sidewalls. Because her natural nail bed is short and the growth rate is so high, the new unprotected part of the nail is exposed to water and environmental stress much sooner than usual. A nail without its armor is a nail in danger. This is why we transition to hard gel, to provide that ultimate structural integrity. And then there's the writer's mark. Look at the middle finger on the right hand. The slight deviation is a result of years of pressure from a pen, or in my case, a drill handle. It's a physical signature of our professional dedication. If your middle finger tells a similar story of hard work, hit that like button. I want to see how many fellow architects we have in the community. No manual filing yet. We prepare everything using only carbide and diamond bits to maintain absolute precision before the final architectural shaping. Now we move to the final phase, structural reinforcement. Using this hard gel with its pinkish-silver and holographic undertone, we're creating a foundation that radiates like diamonds in the sun. It's not just a color, it's a statement. But beauty requires a solid frame. We're performing a full architectural filing to establish the load-bearing walls. By correcting the axis, we ensure these nails can handle the pressure of 40 hours of typing a week without losing their form. To elevate the design, we applied a vitrified black top coat to the middle and ring fingers. For the rest, we used a crystal clear top to let that holographic fire breathe. The result? A high-performance luxury finish as sharp and precise as a Manhattan skyscraper. If you're ready to master the art of nail engineering, dive into my playlist course. We're on a mission to reach 1 million subscribers, and I want you to be part of this elite community. Subscribe, and let's build perfection.